task we're going to choose for home learning.
Look, here's one that might be interesting. Interview family members about what the whakatauki whiriata tangata means.
Yeah, we could present this information in any way we choose. Cool, we can make a video.
Or write a play.
We could sing in haka.
Kia ora toa, tēnā koe e moko, kei te pehe koe, kei te pai. For home learning, we have to interview a family member about what the whakatauki whiriata tangata means to us.
That's easy. It means joining people together. Take the marae, for example. When the visitors are welcomed onto the marae, and then by the end, we're all out back having a nice cup of tea.
Papa, what's whakae?
Let me see. Oh, honey!
Oh, Papa, that's right. I have to ask you a question. Whiriata tangata, what does it mean?
Tangata are people, and most important to me are people in my whānau, nurturing you from a pepe, helping you grow and become confident, so you can join in with others, like at school.
Kia ora, Papa.
Kia ora.
He kaka no toru wha.
He kaka no ko ahau, ko te tūmanako o te whānau, e kore o, e ngaro, he kaka no I rui a mai I rangi a te ea, he aha te mea nui o tēnei au, maku e ki atu, ko te tangata, he aha te mea nui o tēnei au, maku e ki atu, aroha. Whānau mai te pepi, e tipu aki ana, ka pua wai te whānau, hei whakamana, ka paia ki te iwi, ki te taumata, ka whiria te tangata.
He kaka no
Ko ahau.
Mom, what does whiriata tangata mean to you?
Well, Haere, video is what I'm doing here, plaiting and weaving, and I like nothing more than to get with others and weave.
So does that mean we are literally the tangata woven by a whiri?
Aye, that's correct.
Wow.
Whakarongo nā.
Whakarongo aki au ki te tangi a te manu e re re runga rawa e.
Have a look at this. This is what you do.
Koro, can I ask you a question for my home learning?
Sure, what is it?
Whiriata tangata, what does it mean to you?
Oh, that's easy. For me, it's a time I joined with my mates and we would play rugby.
Kia ora, Koro.
Got it.
Aya, what does whiriata tangata mean to you? It is my job to join all you tamariki together in one school, look after your well-being, feed your mind, and then send you off to join the world.